Hey everyone, have you ever worried about losing your keys or wish for a smarter, more secure way to lock your doors? Let me introduce you to the Lockin Smart Door Knob, a 4-in-1 unlocking solution designed for convenience, security, and style. Let's dive into everything this amazing doorknob can do. This smart doorknob is ideal for bathroom doors, home offices, apartments, or even hotels. Whether you're enhancing home security or upgrading a professional space, the Lockin Smart Doorknob is the perfect choice. So the way to install this, the first thing that you want to do is remove this handle here. So the way to remove the knob from this base, you use your pin tool and you're going to push right here and push it in. And once you push it in, this will slide out. You see? So, and then it slides out, and now you're able to screw in the screws right here a lot easier. So I already installed the lock bracket here already. You're gonna make sure the arrow is pointing upwards right there, and you're gonna put this pin inside the hole, making sure the up is up. And then you're gonna make sure the back is on up position also, and then put this pin inside this hole here. So once you have that, you're gonna put the screws inside like so. And then you're gonna make sure that the screws catch on. And once the screws catch, you take your screwdriver and just screw it in. This upward to slide it back inside here. Okay. So now you can see the handle works perfectly. And always set this to the middle button while set up. So you can see on the bottom of the doorknob is the keyhole and the USB-C charger port where you could charge the knob. Don't worry about running out of power. The 400 mAh rechargeable battery lasts for weeks, and when it's low, just plug it in a USB-C charger. Even while charging, the door remains functional, so there's no downtime. There's 4 ways to unlock this doorknob. The first way, I'm going to use my key code. So you can see how I'm going to put in different codes, and then once I enter in the right code, then I press the check mark, and then it opens up the door. The next way that you can unlock this doorknob is by using your fingerprint. See, so I already set my fingerprint and it opens up the door. Another way that I unlock this door is I use the physical key, which I'm going to show right here. And then the keyhole is on the bottom of the doorknob. So you can see how easy it is to unlock the door with the key. So here's the fourth way to open up. I'm using the app to unlock the door. So you can see you swipe it to the right, the door gets unlocked. If you want to lock it, you swipe it to the left to the lock position, and it works perfectly. Lockin Smart Doorknob is packed with advanced features for added security and convenience. Passive mode, keep the door unlocked for gathering or high traffic. Privacy mode, only the administrator's fingerprint can unlock this mode. Anti-peep technology, add random digits before your password to prevent code peeking. This lock takes care of security even when you forget. It automatically locks within 5 seconds of closing the door. Need extra privacy? Just activate privacy mode with a quick turn of your thumb lock. Perfect for when you need uninterrupted peace of mind. With the Lockin Home app, you can manage up to 20 fingerprints and passwords for your family or team. The app also lets you track, unlock records, and share access with ease. It's a complete access control system right in your pocket. The Lockin Smart Doorknob isn't just a lock, it's a smarter way to live. With this 4-in-1 unlocking methods, advanced security features, and sleek design, it's to upgrade your home or office needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave your comments. Be sure to check out the link below to grab yours and experience the ultimate in smart security.